Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your host Mahesh. So as you all know, PUBG has been banned in India, so many people are not able to update the PUBG to the new PUBG era. So I'll show you how you can do that. It was not working previously, but it has somehow fixed, and now you guys can update the PUBG on iOS. So let's start the video. So once you're at App Store, you simply go to this icon by your name and just open this one, and now you will see country and region.
Everyone, this is just the workaround, so do not make a habit of this.
Change country and region, and by default it will be India. We just go with the United States because it's not banned over there. There you go, and simply go agree. Now you have to select the none, as you don't want to add the payment details. Select the street, whatever you want. Street, for example. Okay, so somehow it is not working, so I'll show you the zip. Then zip code, you can Google it, no worries. Zip code for Alaska 99501. It's 99501. Let's done this. There you go. So it has been changed now. Now if I'll go with PUBG, I'll try to search the PUBG. There you go. So I just now update the PUBG, so that is why it's saying open for me, because previously, as I have told you, I have tried that and that was not working for me as well. So today I have given a try and it is working. So that is why I just make this video for you guys. So if any issues occurs, do comment on the comment section so I can check and let you guys know what we can do about this. So thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and
Click on subscribe channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notification.